We are going to talk about ODK tool, collect tool. We know that ODK is a very popular tool and what is similar to Kobo toolbox. And I'm now going to talk about how to set up your ODK setting. Click open the ODK collect. If you want to install this software, you can install from Google Play Store. First of all, we have a 6 menu. First one, fill blank from, and whatever you save that from, then you can edit, and finally you can send. If you want to send your saved form to online server, then you can send finalized form, and whatever you send, then you can check view sent from. As well as I don't have any net connection, that's why I see nothing available to display. And if you want to get update about your ODK collect server, then you can get blank form. Otherwise, if you don't see anything when you want to click on the fill blank form, then we see lots of form available here. But if you don't see like this one, then you can get blank form. But first, before doing this one, get blank from, clicking on get blank from, at first you have to go to the top right corner and you have to go to the general setting and go to the form management and server, and you have to set up our server. First of all, I have to set up my server URL, and then click on OK, and you have to write your username, then OK, then you have to write your password. But if you don't have any internet connection, but that is not a main problem, you can save everything, whatever you are going to do, any survey or any fill of any whatever you are going to collect any data from your field, and delete saved form. You can click. If you want to delete any from whatever you saved, then you can delete from here. So I think that it has another facility which is very important for you, because I think that I don't have any net connection right now. So as well as I am going to collect my data offline. So if you want to send the data to online automatically, then you can do you can follow my instruction. And first you have to go to the top right corner and go to the general setting and from management, and already I have click on the auto send. If you see off option, then you have to submit your data manually. But you think that exactly if you don't have any if you have any auto off option, then you have to click on send finalized and select this one, then you have to send finally. But it's you have to do it manually. But if you don't want to do that manually, then you can, if you want to do that automatically, whenever your net connection is whenever you have a Wi-Fi connection or data connection in your phone, then all offline saved form will be sent to your server automatically. So then you can go to the general setting and go to the form management and click on the auto send. Already I see is set on off option. But if you think that you want to send automatically when you have Wi-Fi connection or in your mobile data, Okay, and you can select anyone whatever you want. So I have already selected this one. So if I have a net connection in my phone, if I have any Wi-Fi connection, then my all offline saved data will be sent to our ODK server, then cancel. So if you think that and whatever you saved in your mobile phone, then you have to you can delete finalized form, that you can delete everything from your finalized forms. So if you want to delete after send, then you can check this mark. If you don't want to delete after send, then you can uncheck this one. So I hope that you will get a lot more facility if you want to use this one first, and then if you server option and user interface, if you want to know more user interface, then you can check this one. And you can also metadata or and device identity. So I will make another tutorial on how to fill up blank form from your ODK collect tool. So thanks for watching, and see you soon in our next video.